You want to know how someone who left you suddenly starts missing you intensely? Not by crying, not by sending long emotional messages, not by posting sad quotes on social media. None of that. It's a decision you make after they walk away. And the moment you make that decision, something shifts. They start checking your profile. They wonder what you're doing. Sometimes a message even pops up, "Hey, can we talk?" But here's the twist. By the time they realize what they lost, you've stopped caring, because by then, you're building a version of yourself they no longer have access to. So let me tell you what to do. And trust me, this changes everything. First, cut off the emotional supply. This is the hardest step. You stop giving them access to you. No random "how are you?" No late night texts. No watching every story. No liking their pictures. No asking mutual friends about them. Silence. Not to play games. To reset yourself. When you're always available, you become a habit. And habits aren't appreciated. But when you disappear, the mind starts asking questions. Where did they go? Why aren't they texting? Did they move on? Uncertainty creates anxiety. Availability creates comfort. Second, don't advertise your pain. This is where most people mess up. Calm on the outside, chaos on the inside. Sad posts, indirect quotes, telling every friend the whole story. Every time you say their name, you keep yourself emotionally tied. And remember, things get back to them. If they hear you're still broken, they sleep peacefully, because they know you're still there. Instead, if someone asks, just say, "I'm good. Just focusing on myself right now." Short, calm, done. When they think you're okay, that's when doubt begins. Third, upgrade quietly. This is where the real power builds. While they assume you're falling apart, you're improving. Fix your routine. Build discipline. Start working out. Learn a new skill. Focus on your career. Spend time with strong, positive people. But don't announce it. Real growth doesn't shout. It shows. Eventually, they'll see it. Through a friend, through a photo, or running into you unexpectedly. And they'll think you've changed. You look happy. That's when regret begins. They thought you would break. Instead, you evolved. Fourth, don't fall for breadcrumbs. One day, a message will come. "Hey, miss you." Or just a reaction to your story. That's not a comeback. That's a test. They're checking if you're still available. This is where most people lose. Immediate reply. Excitement. Old cycle restarted. Power gone. Instead, either don't respond, or reply calmly and briefly, "I'm doing well. Hope you are too." That's it. No questions. No emotion. If someone truly regrets losing you, they don't send "hey." They put in effort. They apologize. They show action. Fifth, live like you've already won. The biggest shift happens inside you. You're not trying to make them regret leaving. You're choosing yourself. You're building a life where your value is self-defined. You stop trying to prove something. You start moving forward. When you genuinely move on, people feel it. You're not anxious. You're not waiting. You're not checking your phone every 5 minutes. You're busy, focused, grounded. And that energy? It's magnetic. Here's the real twist. When you truly detach, when you truly grow, when you genuinely stop caring, that's often when they come back. With apologies, with regret, with "I made a mistake." But by then, you've changed. The version of you that wanted them back don't exist anymore. You're calm, strong, self-respecting, and suddenly, you're not even sure you want them anymore. This wasn't revenge. This wasn't ego. This was about becoming so strong that whether they return or not, you still win. If they come back, you decide. If they don't, you're still winning. Take one step today. Maybe today you stop checking their profile. Maybe today you stop saying their name. Maybe today you join the gym. Or start that project you've been delaying. Start today. Repeat tomorrow. Weeks will pass. Months will pass. And one day you'll look back and realize you're not the same person. You're better. And by the time they understand that, you'll be so far ahead that turning back won't even make sense. If this resonated with you, subscribe. In the next video, I'll tell you what to say and what never to say if they come back. You're stronger than you think. Now choose yourself.